if you want to be more expressive, like this here, then this headset could be for you.
Hi and welcome back to MRTV. In this video, we're going to check out the VIVE Focus Vision and especially how good is the face tracking thanks to this facial tracker, the eye tracking, and also the full body tracking using those ultimate trackers from VIVE. And does all this tracking make the VIVE Focus Vision actually the best headset for VR chat? That is what we're going to find out. So as we stay tuned, watch the whole video because all of this goodness is coming up. So glad to have you back on the channel. My name is Sebastian Ang. And if you are just as excited as me about virtual reality, then absolutely subscribe to this channel here and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. Before we get into this, thanks so much to HTC for sponsoring this video. They have reached out to me and asked, could you do a video where you simply check out our tracking? Because, well, they believe this is the best tracking available for a standalone headset, and I agreed because I think that you are actually interested into that. And even though this is sponsored, everything I say in this video are my own opinions. So with this out of the way, let's get into it. So this is the accessory that you will need in order to make your VIVE Focus Vision face tracking ready. It's the facial tracker and it's going to set you back $99. Actually, this is also going to work on the Focus 3. So this is for the whole Focus series of headsets. And it's a USB-C accessory, which only has one camera here. That's good enough to point at your face and to simply get all of your motions there. Yeah, very good, very simple. So let's check where this goes on your VIVE Focus Vision here. Simply remove this and then there's the USB-C port and you plug it in and that's it. It is truly that simple. And from now on, you'll be able to do face tracking on your PC. You have to install one more software. I'm going to talk about it in a moment, but then you're ready to roll. And that is exactly what I did. So let's go to VR chat right now and check this out together.
Hello there. So here I am in VR chat and wow, I am being completely tracked right now. My eyes, I can blink, and my mouth and my facial expressions. And this was pretty simple. So all I had to do was I was plugging in this interface, the facial tracker, and on my computer I had to install one piece of additional software called VRC face tracking and enable it. And then in VR chat, I simply had to find an avatar that would support face tracking. And you can easily find them in these avatar worlds if you look for VRC FT, VRC face tracking. And yeah, and here we go. So this is, in my opinion, pretty astounding and pretty amazing. So if you are addicted to VR chat and if you want to be more expressive, like this here, then this headset could be for you. So yeah, without a doubt, in my sessions in VR chat, I am going to use the VIVE Focus Vision now. It is truly cool that it's so easy to do this. So wow, I'm shocked right now that it works so easily. And I am not like a VR chat geek that is in this all the time, right? So for me, it was super easy to set it up. And I'm going to leave the links to this down in the description of this video. So let's experiment a bit what we can do. So yeah, eyes, that's no problem, right? Both are tracked individually. I can look around. You should see that. So mouth. Yes. Pretty expressive. Tongue, let's see if tongue works. Oh my god, are you kidding me? That is cool. Ah. It works, so you have all the options now to do whatever you want with your tongue. Wow, this is cool. Ah. And yeah, also the direction of the tongue, okay. So you can do all kind of interesting things now. Cool, cool. So, wow, this must be so fun to meet some people now and actually talk to them like this. And they know, okay, I am really looking into this direction. I'm really doing these things with my mouth and tongue, you know? So yeah, cool. This is really cool. Also, I'm enjoying it right now to be in this headset because there's some airflow going on. So there's no fogging of the lenses. Wow, this is growing on me here. This is really growing on me. Cool. I like it. So cool. So this facial tracker is an additional accessory. It costs around, I believe, $150. And I'm going to link it also down in the description of this video. And also right now I'm connected to my computer via DisplayPort cable. Here it is. Right, so also right now in the holiday, they have a holiday special. So if you want to pick this up, you can get it for free right now, together with the VIVE Focus Vision to get the best visual clarity. And I'm running this now with a resolution of 3700 by 3700 with my 4090 laptop. And it looks so crisp. It simply looks crisp. Wow, it's really good. Also, I have now lens inserts in it. So it is, the visuals are really nice. Yeah, I'm going to link all the stuff that I'm using here right now down into the description of this video. Yeah, okay, cool. So that's it for the face tracking. And you know what? Now I am going to install the ultimate trackers and just see what we can do with full body tracking. So let's do this.
And here we go. These are the ultimate trackers. They can track themselves. You don't need base stations because they have cameras built in. So nice. And when I was unboxing this, I didn't even know what is this here, those cables, but now I know. You need them to connect the dongle to your VIVE Focus Vision, and I'm going to show you now how to go about it. So first you do this here, and then you put in the dongle, just like this. And now you can connect the whole thing to your VIVE Focus Vision, just like this. And you can connect the cable to your VIVE Focus Vision, just like that. And that's it. And your headset will now detect that you have installed the dongle. And once you put on the headset, it is simply going to walk you through the installation of the trackers. Really simple. For the trackers themselves, you're going to install them here to those straps. These are for the feet. And then there's also one for your hip. So you need 3 trackers to make full body tracking happen. And yeah, that's what I have here now. So let's check it out in VRChat together now.
All right, and here I am now with full face tracking, eye tracking, and full body tracking. Wow. So the setup was really simple. It was even for a VRChat and full body tracking beginner like me, it was absolutely no problem. And here we go. I simply had to first charge the body trackers, of course, had to input the dongle as you saw, and then the setup simply started and led me through it. And here we go. Wow. Now this indeed is really good. Check this out. My hip movements are being tracked. My leg movements obviously. So this should absolutely be the best way to go dancing. Yeah, unfortunately that's also something that I would have to learn first. But yeah, you get an idea here what you can do here. And yeah, you could get those you could get three pieces of these ultimate trackers for $500. There was the holiday deal. You can check out if this deal is still ongoing. But yeah, those trackers track themselves, as you can tell. I'm completely wireless. I don't have any base stations set up. And with the VIVE Focus Vision, that works. So this is the most tracked I've ever been. Again, eye tracking, face tracking, and full body tracking. Wow, this is good. This is truly good. Thumbs up. In my opinion, VIVE really has delivered some quality hardware here, and this is the go-to headset for VR chatters that want to be fully tracked in VR chat. Thumbs up to that. So thanks again for HTC for sending these over to me and for sponsoring this video. Again, HTC in no way had any influence on what I was doing here in this video, and all my opinions are my own. So hope you enjoyed this. If yes, give it a pause up, thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to MRTV for more XR hardware videos. So I'm looking forward to see you next one. Until then, bye bye.